Shox R4 Metallic Gold returns for holiday 2025 with a bold yet familiar two-tone look. Retailing at $155, it fuses black toe caps, outsoles, and interiors with sharp metallic gold hits throughout the sidewalls, embroidered swooshes, and rear shocks units. Tapping into its Y2K-era DNA, this refreshed take nods to Nike's past while offering a slight twist via revised heel shocks details. This edition carries on a long-standing legacy of golden Shox R4s, a theme known to perform well in both hype and resale markets. The silhouette fits neatly among Nike's seasonal chrome-infused and metallic styles, adding flair without overcomplicating the iconic design. Whether for collectors or retro tech fans, the updated R4 packs nostalgic punch, performance flair, and futuristic styling, all in one sleek package. Nike once again plays it smart by tweaking a beloved classic just enough to feel new.